Okay, I'm gonna go get the toys now.
Okay.
No peeking.
Okay.
Grandma, make sure he doesn't peek.
He's not.
You hear the bags?
He's hiding.
He's hiding. Okay, is he up there though?
Yeah.
Okay, no peeking. Stay over there.
Down, Gio, down, Smart.
Welcome. Yeah, go ahead, Gio.
Today, open toys up.
Yeah, so in today's video, Gio's gonna be opening up some toys that I got from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has some very affordable toys, and today we're gonna prove to you that your kids will get excited. So, Gio, are you excited? Yeah? What do you think you're gonna get?
Toys?
What kind of toys though? What kind of toys do you think Grandpa got you? Take a guess.
I can tell.
You don't know? No? What do you hope Grandpa got you?
Is it a prize?
It's a surprise. Are you excited? Awesome. It makes me so happy to see him happy. So in today's video, I'm going to give him the toys. Gio's going to open the toy. He's going to show you the toy. And maybe he'll share something about the toy that he likes. Okay, Gio, so are you ready? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What is that? That's one of them. What is it? Show us. Let's see. What is it?
It's a monster truck.
Yeah, you like monster trucks?
Yeah.
Look at that smile. Can you show us? Let's see. There you go. Cool. Okay, so open the package. Can you open it? Let's see Gio try to open the package. Can you do it? Ooh, cool, Gio. Let me see. That is so awesome. You like that truck? Let me see. So put it up like this so everyone can see it. Yeah, that's a cool truck. Look at that. And what color is that again?
Yellow.
Yep. And what color are the tires?
Black.
Yep. Good job, Gio. Okay, so you can put that to the side. Okay, so close your eyes. Your eyes are closed? Okay. What is that? You like to throw the football, right? Are you excited about a football?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to be able to throw that inside and outside and not have to worry about anything being broken, right? You want to throw it to Grandpa? Good job. Okay, so we'll put that one to the side. Let me see what else Grandpa got. Hey, what is that?
What is this?
Let's see, open it. Look at the picture. You don't know what that is? Let me see. Let me open it for you.
Glow stick.
They're glow sticks, baby.
Glow in the dark.
Yeah, these are not easy to open.
That just goes in.
Yep, so just break one. Like crack it, like do this, look. Yep, and then go like this, look. Go like this. Yep. Watch, you'll see it turn, you'll see it light up. We might have to turn off all the lights. So we'll set that to the side. See how it's glowing already? Okay, so we'll put it to the side and we'll let it glow. Okay, let me grab another toy. Close your eyes, Gio. What is that? What is it?
It's the ambulance.
It's the ambulance? Let's see, show it to us. Ooh, cool. Can you open that package or you... Let me see, I'll try to open it so that way you don't hurt yourself. Oh, you got it. Good job, Gio. Go ahead and open it. You got it or no? Good job. Let me see, I got it, baby. I'm going to open it for you. Just to make it easier. Okay, there you go. You got it? Take it out. Let's see. What does it do? Obviously, it's an ambulance. Or no, it's not an ambulance. Actually, it's a trailer and a truck. Like a moving truck. That's cool, Gio. He likes trucks, ambulances, cars. Look at him. He's already... You like that? Okay, let's grab another one. Okay, so close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go ahead. You already seen it. Silly. Do you know what that is? What is that? You don't know what that is? That's a baseball, the baseball bat. Yeah, so now Grandpa can throw the ball at you and you can swing and hit it. He's like, okay. Let me see. Because he always likes to mess with mine. Look at Gio. The one that I always hang up in the man cave. Now you have your own. What is that? Is it an iguana? Let's see. Show it to us. Let me see it. Hand it to me. So that way I can put it right in front of the camera. So I have an iguana in the man cave / Geo cave. There we go. See it? It's an iguana. He always likes to play with the iguana up there. Now he's got his own little iguana. But okay, there's that one. Alright, Gio, close your eyes. Open them. Because I know you like to play with cars. Right? You like to play with cars? He's all quiet. Focus.
No, you're not.
Let's see. What color are those cars, Gio?
Red, orange.
Okay, so say it again. Which one is the first one over there?
This one?
Yeah, what color is that?
Green.
Good job. What color is the middle one? The one that's right there?
Black.
Yep. Okay, and that one? What color is that?
Orange.
Yep.
Black.
Yep. And the other one?
Red.
And black?
Black.
Good job, Gio. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4 vehicles up there. Close your eyes, Gio. Oops. Open your eyes. Because he likes trucks. He shouldn't get any more because they're all over the place, but can you open that one? Come on, Gio, you could open it. I believe in you. Gio's got big muscles. Gio does push-ups with his daddy. Right, Gio? You and Daddy work out? Come on, Gio, you could do it. You got it? Or not? Look at that. This is Gio's table for YouTube. Wow, those are cool. What color are those again?
Orange and yellow.
Okay, we got one more thing because we know that you like to do this outside when it's nice, okay? What is that? He's looking at it like, where's my iPad or my MacBook or my PS5? What is that, Gio? Do you know what that is? What do you call that? It's chalk. You know how when we write outside on the sidewalk? Yeah, we can write on the sidewalk when it's really nice outside and not wet, okay? So Gio, did you enjoy your little surprise gifts? Yeah? Okay, so now you can play with them and clean up your mess. And I hope you enjoyed this short video here on Gio and Dom's World. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share with a friend. Thank you for watching and join us on the next video. Gio, say bye.
Bye.